Alright, so hi and welcome back to CineX's YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing this very device, which is the CineX CineX projector. That you guys can carry anywhere with you, and this is super lightweight. And also, if you're looking to mirror your iPhone's display directly onto this projector, then this is the right investment for you. And this is super easy to use, super portable as well, and you can get it for under 99 US dollars, and this ships worldwide. Alright, so let's start with the unboxing. So this is how the packaging of the product looks like. You get an HDMI port as well as the USB port with this one. So let's try and open this with one single hand. This is the CineX projector that we get with this box, and again you guys can get it for under 99 US dollars at simplifytech.shop. And this is how the product looks like. So this is rotatable, and let me just show you how it works. So as you can have a look at the product, the quality again of this one is really good, which is why we have started producing these items. And also you can adjust it according to your needs, and this is 360-degree rotatable according to your needs. So yeah, this is how the projector looks like from outside. And from the back, if we have a look at these ports, so you get the power port here. As you can see, the HDMI port is here. You can also connect your headphones via the aux port that is to be found right here, and you've also got an option to connect your pen drive with this very product. So let's just have a look at what we get with this very product. So initially, this is the remote control that we get with the product, and as you can see, looks pretty lightweight as well as not bad for the investment that you're making, which is obviously under $100. Let me just open this for you, and this is how the remote of this very product looks like. Also, this comes built in with Android 11.0 system, so this is pretty latest. And also here is the power port for this very device. As you can see, let's just keep it here, and as you can see, this is a small booklet that we get with this, which is not required because it's simple, easy to use if you use an Android device, because this one has got Android OS system pre-installed into this, and it can also stream 4K videos. Let's see what else is in the box now. So you do get an HDMI port also with this one, as you can see. So if you want, then you can easily connect it with your laptop, and then get your device or laptop screen mirror to the wall. Alright, so this is all that we get inside the box. I guess you don't get the pencil cells with this one, so I'm gonna install the pencil cell in this, and I'm gonna power on this very device right now to showcase you what quality you get with this, and is it really worth it or not. As you can see, this is not very heavy like a traditional projector that you used to get, so this is pretty lightweight as well as easy to carry anywhere wherever you'd like it to carry. So let's start this very projector and see how it works. Alright, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put this very projector onto my bed, and I'm gonna simply try to stream it right here on this wall, which is pretty big. And let me just connect the power adapter with this very thing. This is the power adapter that we get with this very device. So I'm gonna keep it pretty raw, because this is how you are also gonna set it up. This is the power port that you get with this one, as you can see. Let me just put it right here, and yeah, there you go. So this is the power socket. Let me just plug it right in the power socket, and in order to start this very device, I would need to press this. As you can see, there's a red light that shows up when you power the projector. Let me just click on this. There you go. there's the display of this very device, as you can see. So I really hope that you found this video to be helpful. This is super easy to use, and also this very device is super portable, as you can see. You can find it on simplifytech.shop and you can order yours now for under 99 US dollars, and this ships worldwide and can stream your any of the Netflix or Prime videos right away without any hassle. This is a plug and play best projector that is available on planet Earth right now. SimplifyTech CineX projector for under 99 US dollars. So make sure to click on the link that is given down below in the description to order yours right now.